girl Latoya, and you know we back with a new video. In today's video, what I'll be talking about is generally how to grow your YouTube channel through quarantine time, because you know now is the perfect time to do stuff and get things done, get your shit done. Nonetheless, let's stay tuned into this video and keep on watching. The first thing what we will be talking about is how to be growing your YouTube channel and improving it better. I'll give you some tips and some tricks what I did, what helped me actually improve the YouTube channel, how I grew like from 0 to 100. I did a thank you video, so you guys check that out. All those who follow me, thank you very much. Also all the rest, welcome to the Outrageous family. You know I love you guys. We are here to grow, and let's get straight in. The first tip, what I'm going to tell you guys is be consistent. Be consistent. Is it true that you have to be consistent? Yes, it's true, you have to be consistent. Only that alone, be also believing in yourself. This is very important. A lot of people, you know, they don't have like that discipline to really stick to certain things, but from my part of view, if you stick to it and you really want to do it, don't be coming on YouTube here for money, for anything. You want to give advices, you want to share your passion or whatsoever, just put on that camera and just keep on going. Let's get back to it. As I was saying, being consistent, believing in yourself, that is two most important things. Things like posting, when you're now starting off your channel, post videos like 2 to 3 times a week if it's possible. In time, oh my god, this is the perfect time to learn and improve in a lot of things. You know, I learned so much throughout the 6 weeks here right now that I am in quarantine. Do it, just do it. So that is one of the tips what I'll be telling you guys with the posting. The next tip, editing skills. I use on my Mac, so on Mac there's iMovie, and I learned some tips and tricks. I learned from other pictures, how to add overlayers, how to make a thumbnail, how to add like pictures without this weird background, and learn some editing skills and teach yourself how to get better at it. Like if I watch my videos from before and I'm watching like my videos from now, this is very important. Like your thumbnail, your title, these are one of the most important things what you have to really be thinking about. Has to be bomb. You want it to look good, you want it to be bomb, you want it to be over the top. Learn how to do it. Learn how to do your thumbnail, learn certain programs, how to do it. This is very important. What I'll be telling you guys is learn your analytics. This is very important. Like one thing, the next thing what I'm going to be telling you guys, I bought this right here, and this is full of ideas. A YouTube channel, please have at least 20 to 30 ideas and content. Believe me, it will help you. Like, and it's so important. Then this is very important. Like you hear people say, yeah, learn how to do this, learn how to do. No, write down those ideas, write it out, study it. It's very important. I started to do, and I just noticed like, oh, or the day that I'm doing the video, just like a review, I was watching it like, oh yeah, that is true. This is like what I have to write down, and I don't want to miss this out or anything. So I wrote everything down here before I do my YouTube videos. Like I said, practice makes perfect. This is the next tip. Practice on your speech. Go in front of the camera and you go on YouTube and you're like this. Yeah, hi you guys. It's your girl Latoya, and yeah, you know, you want to be a little bit more confident. Look inside of the mirror, and look at yourself in the mirror straight out, and you know, like, yes, I'm confident, I'm happy, I'm alive, I'm whatsoever, and practice your speech in front of the mirror. For example, for me to be speaking in front of camera is not that hard because I could imagine there is an audience. Since in my profession I do have to talk to people on a daily basis, so like really that hard for me, but improvement can always be better. So sometimes I say words like and, but, this too long, and yeah, and so practice makes perfect. I'm not saying that everybody should be perfect, but the next thing what I'll be telling you guys what you need to know about is TubeBuddy. I looked it up. TubeBuddy will be becoming your best friend. Those tags, whoo, I noticed like those tags are very important. You know how to tag, like tag in the right way, and they are giving you like 500 spaces to actually tag. Use it to the fullest. Spaces for your title, use it. Use the description box, use it. Just completely use everything what is giving you, and you will see that the improvement will improve. I'm just telling you guys how to grow your YouTube channel is tell everyone. At first I was like of telling like everyone and stuff, but then I was like, you know what, to hell with it. Tell your family, tell your friends, tell your haters. The haters will look you up and it just benefits you. I'm just saying, you know, what is really good. So tell, like I said, tell your neighbor, tell, I don't know, your boss, your co-workers, anybody. Move a lot. The next thing is engage on other social medias. Like I am on Snapchat. You can snap me if you want to. You don't mind, you can snap me about anything because I'm very active on Snapchat. I do talk to my people on Snapchat. I have no problem with that. I do talk to them. All who snap me, holler at me. Your girl is here, you know, we're doing this. Engaging in other social media can really help you improve on your YouTube channel. I noticed that. Like I said, I am very active on Snapchat, and I just see like my Snapchat people who are watching me, they engage also on my YouTube channel. Next thing, if you really want to like start your YouTube channel, hold on a second, let me just put this right here. Do is niche down. You don't want to be throwing out videos here. Okay, today I'm doing a gaming, then I'm doing a traveling vlog, then I'm a live vlogger. Please, like when you like grow a little bit of an audience, then you can actually say, okay, I'm gonna bring this into my channel and that into my channel. I am really into skincare, and I know a lot about skincare because that's my passion and that is what I love. So this skincare channel, not only that alone, I like to give advices and let other people improve in their self as well. So this is a skincare. I know a lot about investment, how to make that money, and also about YouTube. Like I want this also to be so people can see that how I'm growing and how everything is just taking off of me, and really grateful in all of that. So I think I got everything really good. Let me just check to see.
A few moments later.
That's it. I think that is it. Oh, wait. Did you guys subscribe to my channel? If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. What are you waiting on? Come on, people, subscribe to this channel. But like I said, those are maybe like all my tips I improved in growing my YouTube channel. If you want to grow from 0 to 100, from 100 to 1000, certain tips, what I just now said, will help you, because it did help me deeply into it, and like go step for step for everything in upcoming videos. I'd like to say thank you guys for tuning in again. Love you, Outrageous family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click right down here below and click the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section. Love you guys and stay safe. Bye.